Gap is making a bet on our future. Before we talk about it, we have to go to the past. In 1998, the Gap launches the Khaki Swing campaign. And in that time in America, we have the Clinton Lewinsky scandal. We also have a very strong economy. Google is founded and Casual Fridays is something new. Now, the Gap had had some poor earnings because their previous khakis campaign featured historic figures like Pablo Picasso wearing khakis. And that wasn't resonating with the new workforce, the Gen Xers. They wanted to see something that resonated with them and showed them. So they go for a completely different thing. They use historic music, but then they turn it on its head by having people who are young dressing their khakis how they might actually wear them, rolling them up, for example. And so rather than looking backward, they use the past as a foundation for the future. They also see the khakis campaign as one of a suite of campaigns. Their goal is to say, any Gen Xer can wear khakis, whatever your race, whatever your gender, whatever your subculture, we got a khaki for you. It is basically a very visually inclusive campaign, which then takes us to this new campaign. So we have at the Gap trying to revitalize the brand by including smartly the past, but kind of upgrading it so that it doesn't look like you are looking backward, but you're looking forward. Zac Posen has done a lot of things to revitalize the brand. And they've already started these sorts of ensemble ads. This ad has people wearing different cuts of jeans. They all seem like they fit no matter what the body type. And it features people of different races. But one thing that's very interesting is they are saying, we think being inclusive in our ads will be a good bet on where we're going. But it is a good thing to compare it to, say, the American Eagle ads. Those had one figure, one body type, and a body type that she said was positive. She says genes are passed down from parents to children, right? And many people have said, well, that is a very exclusionary thing because you have to be born into something, which is an interesting thing to take when you're actually selling something, because that means that some people who aren't born into the genes that fit into those literal genes won't be able to buy them. So they are looking at exclusionary, luxury, special. Gap is looking at anybody, everybody. And now we just have to wait to see which is more successful.